This is a test of the Northbrook Comcast Emergency Override System. This test is conducted monthly at this time. If this were an actual emergency situation, you would be given important information through this system. This concludes the test of the Northbrook Comcast Emergency Override System.
Teach me the flamingo.
The flamingo is fun. Flamingo is fun. But it's shrieky.
I don't care. Just tell me what to do.
The first thing Kelly has to do is breathe.
I'm breathing now. What's next?
No. Don't Kelly. Kelly has to do a special yoga breathing.
This message is for purposes only. Chicago. The National Weather Service has issued this as a test message. Port warning for all Illinois counties until 10/10/10/50. This is a test tornado part of Illinois weather week. This is a test message. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information on the location and movement of the storm. This is a test. This is a communications exercise. Please review your tornado shelter at your place of business or at your school. This is a test message. Do take action based on this message.
Up.